Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to play GameCube games on your PC using the Dolphin emulator. Now, the Dolphin emulator also can play Wii games, but I'll cover more of that in a separate video. Now, there's basically two ways to get GameCube games onto your computer. One, if you have like a hacked Wii, then you can rip GameCube games onto the USB hard drive or a flash drive and then connect them to your computer and then copy them there. Or you can go online and download GameCube games that other people have ripped onto their computer. So you cannot just copy your GameCube games into the disk drive and rip them from there. That will not work. So now for the controls, you can use just a regular mouse and keyboard, or you can use a PC controller, or you can use certain other consoles controllers, or you can use an actual GameCube controller. There's a USB adapter which you can buy online for pretty cheap. I'll have a link in the video description so you can check that out. And I believe that's everything, so let's get started. Alright, first you can follow the link in the video description to download the Dolphin emulator. Now there's several versions depending on whether you have Windows or Mac. Then be sure to download the latest version. Then also for Windows, there's separate download links depending on whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. So for those that don't know, you can check this by right-clicking the computer and then going down to Properties. Then it should say under System Type whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. So as you can see, I have a 64-bit operating system. So you can also check out my computer specs. So I would download the 64-bit version of the Dolphin emulator. So you can just click download, then click here. Then once it's finished downloading, you'll need to download some GameCube ISOs or ROMs, which you can download from sites like coolrom.com, romhustler.net, or doperoms.com. So I'll be using coolrom.com. So you can go under ROM files, then go down to Nintendo GameCube. Then you can browse GameCube games by alphabetical order, or you can browse by genre, like action, adventure, fighting, and so on. You can also browse by the top 50 downloaded, and these tend to be the more popular games. Then you can also browse by the top 50 rated, and these also tend to be more popular games. So you can just click the So once you've found a game you want to download, you can just click the link. As you can see, there's a title screen and then a screenshot. You can just click download now, and then wait 8 seconds. Then click download your file. Then most GameCube games are around a gigabyte, so they'll take several minutes to download. So you can just minimize and go back and download another GameCube game. I believe you can download up to 3 GameCube games at the same time. So you can just click the link. There's the title screen and the screenshot. You just click download now. Wait 8 seconds. And click download your file. So yeah, you can I believe you can download up to 3 GameCube games at the same time, so. Alright, once they've finished downloading, you can go to the desktop or wherever you downloaded the Dolphin emulator and GameCube games to. You can right-click Dolphin and extract it using WinRAR, which you can also download from the video description. Also, be sure to extract the GameCube games as well. And of course the GameCube games will take a lot longer to extract, so we'll just get started. You can open the Dolphin folder and run the Dolphin exe. And this is the Dolphin emulator. I'll go through a quick run through. So under File, you can go to Open. This is where you can open your GameCube games or ISOs. And under Emulation, you can go to Start Recording. This is where you can use the emulator itself to record gameplay footage. So this could be extremely useful, especially for YouTube. Then under Options, you can go to Configure. This is where you can change some of the settings and interface and audio if you have a problem with the audio syncing. And under the GameCube tab, you can select your system language. And you can also choose what type of memory card and controller you're emulating. You can also choose like the GameCube mic or or multiple controllers or different types of controllers. And then under Paths is where you can set the default directory or location of your GameCube games. You can just click Add, then go to the location and click OK. And click OK. And we'll wait for those to finish extracting. Yeah. Then refresh, and there are the 2 GameCube games I've just downloaded. So, okay. Also under Options are the graphics settings. So I'd recommend using DirectX 9. Or you can also use any graphics card you have. You can also max out the screen resolution and change the aspect ratio to stretch to window, and hide the mouse cursor. You can also change some of the enhancements or hacks, but I wouldn't recommend messing with them too much. And then also under Options are the GameCube Add Settings, and this is where you can set up the actual controllers, where you can have multiple controllers, and then you can just click the button and then press the button on your controller, or you can click it and press the key on your keyboard. You can also save the profile. Say if you use different controllers or settings, you can save and load them. Then under Tools, there's a Memory Card Manager. This is where you can back up and transfer the save data from the emulator to, say, a Gecko memory card. You can transfer the save data vice versa, so it can be very useful. Then also under Tools are the Sheets Manager, and this is where you can load like AR codes or Gecko codes, and just different sheets. Then finally under Tools is the NetPlay, and this is where you can host and play online multiplayer games using the emulator, which I won't be covering in this video though. Alright, so let's get started. Let's try Super Smash Bros. Melee. Just double click from the main menu here. Okay, you can exit and then load a different game. Let's try Zelda, Twilight Princess. Alright, so there you go. Enjoy your GameCube games on your PC. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Or you can also check me out on my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Thank you for watching.